Lawrenceville, Virginia. The Lawrenceville Correctional Center inmate has died after being attacked in their cell by another inmate Tuesday night. The victim was said to be a 63-year-old man who was serving a 26-year sentence for crimes including forcible sodomy and aggravated sexual battery.
This is the package law enforcement says was meant to drop here inside the walls of the GO prison known as Lawrenceville Correctional Center.
It was an intended delivery for the prison that has happened many times, and obviously this one failed. We don't know why.
But the delivery came up short. The sheriff says a witness reported what he saw.
Saw some green lights, blinking lights, and this drone, what they thought was a drone and they believed was a drone, landing in the parking lot.
In fact, the drone and the package landed here at Brunswick Academy, a private school within sight of the prison. Moments later, a car speeds in, grabs the drone, but not the package. Investigators say inside the 5-pound bundle, marijuana, loose tobacco, and 3 cell phones. Total value inside the prison, $18,000.